Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold the surface, a star or double curvature surface inside the AutoCAD. So this is actually it's very simple surface here that we can unfold use our plugin. So once you have downloaded the software inside from our website and then install it into your machine, and then you should have then the plugin to use here to unfold this surface. So you just use upload, and then you can see here the contents here, and this is actually then the unfold surface, this one here, and then you can unfold each of these surface here. So just want to show you this is all double curvature surface here. Here this is actually then 3D shape here, right? So it's hard to see here, but it's actually from one client here. He sent me this surface. So and just use the command here. So there's a one of the this is composite surface. Actually, you have to use in the G unfold here. But for simple surface, just use unfold surface here, and then we just click this. And then when you hit enter, then they'll ask you whether you have curve on the surface or point on the surface that to be unfolded together with the surface on the XY plane. In this case, you don't have it. You just hit enter, and then you see here this is actually the result here, and this is actually on the 2D contour. For this kind of surface, this should be very accurate. So delete this one here. So maybe this actually, and then you can unfold this one here. I think this is actually the composite curve that you have to use. Then the composite surface, use G unfold here, and then you select this kind of surface, and you have then whether you want to unfold the internal edge, just hit yes, and that's it. This is actually the result here. So, and we delete this one here, and you can just similarly this one here is very simple here. This is actually, and just unfold the surface here. So and hit enter, and then you should get the results here. That's it. If it's composite surface, then you have to have then using the G unfold here, then they will unfold the surface together. For this one, for example, this is composite surface, so you just use G unfold, and then you select this one here, and then they will yes enter, and then they will give the results here. But you can just take out the internal edge. That should be simple. And so like this one here is also, delete this one here, and G unfold here, and this is actually use this one here, hit enter, yeah, this is actually the result here. And for this one, it's very simple. You just use unfold surface here, repeat this command, and this is actually, and then they will unfold the result here. It is actually, this should be very accurate for this kind of surface here. And it's very easy to use and simple to use. Easy, it's very simple. Good, that's for today. Thank you. Bye.